Welcome, artists in the making. Today, we're exploring two important principles that help make art look great: unity and variety. Don't worry if you've never heard of them before. By the end of this video, you'll start seeing them everywhere. Let's dive into the first principle, unity. Let's start with unity. Unity means everything in your artwork works together and feels connected. Imagine a team wearing the same uniform, or a bedroom where all the colors match. That's unity. It makes your art look organized, neat, and complete. You can find unity in your environment too, like rows of houses painted the same color, or the way leaves of a tree have the same shape. In art, unity can come from repeating shapes, using similar colors, or keeping the same style throughout your work. Exploring variety. Now let's add some fun with variety. Variety is about using differences to keep things exciting. Different shapes, bold colors, and textures. These things grab attention and make your artwork more interesting. Look around you. Variety is everywhere. Think of a garden with many types of flowers, or a music playlist with different genres. That's variety in action. It keeps things from getting boring. Great artists know this secret: too much unity, and your art might feel dull. Too much variety, and it could look messy and confusing. But when you balance them, that's where the magic happens. When you're making your own art, ask yourself, do my colors or shapes repeat to create unity? Did I add some variety to keep it interesting? Try this. Use a limited color palette for unity. Add a bold accent color for variety. Repeat a shape in different sizes. Mix smooth and rough textures. Small changes equal big results. Here's a fun challenge. Look around your classroom, your home, or your neighborhood. Can you spot something that shows unity? How about variety? Snap a photo or draw what you see, then bring it into your next art project. Now you know, unity brings things together and variety makes things pop. When you use both, your art will have balance, beauty, and personality. So go on, start creating, exploring, and mixing it up. You've got this, artist. To learn more about the principle of art, do watch this playlist right here. Thanks for watching.